One of the most effective tools that a creditor has to collect a debt from you is to garnish your wages. If you draw Social Security benefits or you have some other public benefit or pension money, those cannot be garnished. There are some types of income that cannot be garnished. But if you're a working lady, a working man, they can garnish the wages at your employment. They can take, in Tennessee and Virginia, up to 25% out of your take-home pay. And that might not include all your deductions. That's your take-home pay after the taxes, but not before everything else. It's a big chunk of your income. Garnishments are devastating to people's finances. They blow your budget out of the water, and it's very difficult to recover from a garnishment. If you, however, are consulting with us, we would tell you that if we can file a bankruptcy case, we can stop your garnishment. We have techniques in our office to actually stop a garnishment before we file a bankruptcy case. We would have to consult with you in that situation to see if you may be eligible for debt relief through the local court through what's called a slow payment plan on your garnishment to avoid a wage garnishment. Typically, however, our clients come to us, the wage garnishment is already there. Once a bankruptcy case is filed, the garnishment must stop. Garnishments are not easy to stop. It requires the cooperation of the creditor's attorney, the creditor, the court clerk, and the employer. It can be sometimes difficult to stop a garnishment once a bankruptcy case has been filed. However, we will stop any garnishment you have. There's some good news in the garnishment world, though. One of the things you can do in a bankruptcy case that is not well understood is you can, in some cases, recover the money that has been garnished from you. The basic formula is that if you have had your wages garnished in the previous 90 days, and that creditor has received over $600 of your wages, and you file a bankruptcy case, we can, and frequently do, demand it back, and we receive it because you are entitled to recover that money under bankruptcy law. This can also happen to you, and we can also help you recover money if it has been taken out of a bank account. So if your wages or bank accounts have been garnished by a creditor, we can stop that for you, and in some circumstances, we can recover the money for you.